Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to explore a natural way to control weeds. Bare soil in the garden is like an open wound. Nature always uses weeds to cover and protect it. Pulling weeds by hand usually takes a lot of effort. In reality, it only gives short-term results. Using toxic chemicals to kill weeds is a mistake. It can unintentionally destroy beneficial microorganisms. Covering the ground with plastic tarps isn't a good solution either. This method suffocates the soil and speeds up soil degradation. So what's the most effective long-term solution? The answer is using ground cover plants. This strategy is called blocking the light. We're going to take away the weed's source of life. Instead of wasting energy trying to destroy weeds, grow low-spreading plants to outcompete them. These plants will spread and weave together. They create a beautiful green carpet across the ground. Once this living carpet fully covers the soil, the weeds underneath can no longer photosynthesize. Without sunlight, weed seeds can't sprout. Existing weeds will also gradually die off. Today, we'll explore 4 groups of ground cover plants. Each group works best in different conditions. The first group is made up of true sun-loving warriors. They're incredibly tough and resilient. One of the best examples in this group is Moss Rose. This plant is probably very familiar to you. Moss Rose is extremely drought tolerant. It thrives even in dry and barren soil. Alongside Moss Rose, Purslane is another excellent choice. Its succulent leaves help store water. These 2 flowers don't just cover the soil effectively, they also bring stunning color to the garden. The second group is the perfect companion for fruit trees. This is a great solution for orchards and perennial gardens. The shining star of this group is Pinto Peanut. It produces beautiful little yellow flowers. The most special thing about perennial peanut is its ability to fix nitrogen. Its roots naturally enrich the soil. Because of that, perennial peanut doesn't just suppress weeds quickly. It also provides natural fertilizer. When planted around the base of trees, it can save you money. It also helps the soil retain moisture. Next, let's move on to the third group of plants. These are the masters of shady corners. In dense gardens, sunlight struggles to reach the ground. That's where we need stronger competition against weeds. Gotu-kola is one of the best options for shady areas. It grows extremely well in low light. Gotu-kola spreads through creeping stems across the soil surface. It quickly covers empty dark spaces. Along with Gotu-kola, Purple Heart is another great choice. Its purple color creates a striking accent. Purple Heart is incredibly easy to grow and spreads very quickly. Even beginner gardeners can grow it successfully. The fourth group consists of knights that protect slopes and hillsides. They help prevent soil erosion on steep ground. Spanish needle is a great representative of this group. Its roots grow deep and hold tightly to the soil. During heavy rain, the plant cover softens the impact of raindrops. Its root system keeps the topsoil in place. Mexican heather is also an excellent option for borders and pathways. Its pinkish-purple flowers create a romantic look. Planting Mexican heather along walkways helps prevent weeds from growing. It also makes your garden look cleaner and more organized. To succeed with this method, you need to understand 3 important principles. The first principle is how to plant correctly. You shouldn't plant in perfectly straight rows. Instead, stagger the plants in a zigzag pattern. This planting style helps the plant canopy connect more quickly. The ground will be covered much faster. As a result, weeds won't have room to grow in between. You'll spend far less time weeding. The second principle is patience during the first 100 days. This period determines your success. During this stage, the ground cover plants are still small and their roots are shallow. Weeds can still compete with them. You'll need to water regularly and remove large weeds. Care for the plants carefully during this time. After about 100 days, the roots of the ground cover plants will intertwine tightly. By then, they'll be strong enough to defend themselves. From that point on, you'll barely need to weed anymore. The living carpet will maintain itself naturally. The third principle is creating clear boundaries. Ground cover plants naturally spread very quickly. Without boundaries, they can invade walkways and unwanted areas. That can become troublesome over time. Use bricks or stones to create clear edging around the planting area. The border should be about 6 inches deep. This boundary helps stop roots from spreading into restricted areas. It makes the green carpet easier to control. Stone or brick edging also adds a beautiful decorative touch. Your garden will look far more professional. Using ground cover plants is more than just a gardening technique. It's a philosophy of working with nature. Instead of using toxic chemicals to destroy weeds, we restore ecological balance. Covered soil stays moist and loose for much longer. Beneficial microorganisms also thrive in this environment. Earthworms and helpful creatures will return to your garden. They create rich, natural, organic fertilizer. This layer of vegetation works like a natural air conditioner. It cools the soil during hot summer days. In the cold winter season, the green cover keeps plant roots warm. It acts like a protective shield. The small flowers will attract butterflies and bees. Your garden will become full of natural life. Pollinators are essential for healthy fruit production. Harvest yields can increase significantly as well. In summary, using ground cover plants offers tremendous benefits. You control weeds while improving the soil at the same time. The process does require some effort in the beginning, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. Start experimenting with a small corner of your garden first. Choose plants that match the sunlight conditions. Watch the amazing changes and growth day by day. You'll soon want to expand the system everywhere. If you have a sunny rooftop, try planting a vibrant carpet of moss rose. It can transform the space into a beautiful painting. If you grow fruit trees, perennial peanut is the perfect companion. Under shady canopies, Cola will take over beautifully. Nature always has the perfect solution to every problem. We simply need to learn how to listen. Eco-friendly gardening is not a battle against nature. It's a partnership where both sides thrive together. Hopefully, you found the perfect weed control solution for your garden. Apply these techniques correctly for the best results. Your garden deserves to be cared for with the safest methods possible. Let green ground covers replace herbicides. If you found this video helpful, please share it with fellow gardening lovers. Together, we can build a greener and cleaner environment. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye, and see you again on the Compost channel. Happy gardening.